Congratulations on starting your Locked On account. In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to set up your account so that you can start adding data to it straight away. When you first start Locked On, you'll be taken to the main screen, but we'll need you to click your name at the top right and go into the My Details to finish adding some information about yourself. We'll need you to fill in your name completely with the title, add your position, and you should already see your email and mobile number. If you need to add more numbers, you can hit the Add Phone Number option and we'll test adding in a work number. Now the work number is added, we can look at adding some social accounts. This is quite simply done by clicking the Add Social and selecting what social web URL you'll be adding under your profile. This will be a direct URL to your page. So for my Facebook page, we're going to get my URL and paste that in My Details next to the Facebook label. Once you have one social account linked, you can hit the Add Social, select the label, and add as many as you like underneath your details. Remember, this will be your personal pages, not your office or company pages. We will add them in the company settings section in a moment. Once you've added your social accounts, we'll need to then upload a picture of yourself. Now, we like to treat this as a little avatar that will appear at the top right of your Locked On account whenever you log in. The picture only needs to be around 600 pixels by 600 pixels wide and high. I have a file on my computer that we're now going to select by hitting the Upload Avatar option. I'll simply select the image and then let that upload, and we will see that appear at the top right of my screen. You'll also have the ability to upload an email signature banner, which will appear in your email signature when all emails are sent. And we have another Upload Profile Image area for you to upload a profile banner, which we will talk about when we start building emails later on. Once you've entered in all of the information in the My Details area, you can then hit the Update Profile to save these settings.